bakansara na mushanju nubo barahira kandi bahaburwa uko baraze kwebembera abatura.
Square in the name of Almighty God,
that I will give faithful service to this council and support,
protect and defend the Constitution.
So help me God.
Harurengo rwa LC5 Richard Indiana arahire kuba LC5 wa Kisoro kandi ogwa twirare meya wa Kisoro municipality ahabwe enchure hwire.
I Indiana Richard swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda. So help me God.
Indiana nagira ngo ayetegwire kuhereza j'abantu ba Kisoro district.
We are going to concentrate on key projects which are ongoing and upcoming. I request that we will work closely with our dear members of parliament to deliver services to our people from time to time. I will be knocking at your doors, dear members of parliament, to request for your support, Lobby Line Ministries, for services to our district.
Omuri bakansara barahira niyo nisabaganda ari kujwekera barema ntacho tugira kujwekera bakirinju bekani yigaba kujwekera barema babashija Joseph Rukema kujwekera bashija bahumwire meromo na Juliet Kamusime owemenyeto abishiki.
Give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Emikoreji yabekurirwe mukuru w'abakozi mu district ya Kisoro John Nyakahuma owajwekera minister w'ebyanga Rafael Magezi. Amos Kakizimana niwatorinwe kuba district speaker kandi arabere matine chakanisa.
And shall be one, the vice chairperson shall be approved by 2/3. The members of the executive shall be approved by majority. What does the majority mean? If we are 47, we are 46. I need to see 24. 24 councillors approving members of what? They. So let's, even if it goes back, I want you to be sincere and select some of you. You again make what? Yes. I really want to be sincere to you.
Bwanyuma Amos ayebembira urukiko rw'abakansara batorana Gadi Gakara okuba deputy speaker. Bakansara bagaruka bahinguza Joseph Rukema okuba umuhezi wa chairman LC5 bwanyuma y'abakansara okwanga Pamela Nyiraguhirwa ngo ahabwe ko batashomere.
Then you have anyone rejecting Honorable Pamela?
Yes. Service to this council and support and uphold the constituents of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda by as law, so help me God.
I, Nyiraguhirwa Pamela, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.